Hello friend, welcome to the Ambani Kids app. My name is Zenke,
and I'll be your guide and buddy while you explore. You've just started your 7-day free trial. That's great. Here, you can discover all kinds of subjects with fun videos, exciting games, and colorful books to read, all with just a click. Looking for videos and games in other languages? Just head to the language subject, then choose the language you want from the menu. We also have free TV channels, so even after your trial ends, you can keep watching anytime you want, for free. There are channels in different languages too. And here's your favorites section. Whenever you see something you like, just tap the heart icon and it'll be saved here for you. Need help? Tap here to send us a message and we'll reply as soon as we can.
enjoy learning and playing with Ambani Kids.